Seems I can't remember two sentences. One moment. Okay, the recording is started.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, hello again. So nothing special for this week. It's already 4th of December. Sure. First term for this week is media queries. Again, it's also about responsive design. How to create media queries. It means like how to implement smoothly transition between two view, like I mean from desktop to tablet, from tablet to mobile view. Also for this week, CSS preprocessors, like here describes SAS. Also, you can read by yourself SCSS to understand what for we use preprocessors, what is variables, how to implement inheritance, what is a mixins, how to create a function, etc. For media queries, we have a test for this week regarding weekly assignments. Coffee House Part 1. We had have a recording from previous session. The Hanna, I guess, clearly described step by step how to cover this part, and if you're interested, you can hope that you already started doing this task, and for this week you just need to proceed, and at the end you need to submit your MR for cross-check. Seems that's all. And do you have anything to add?
No, this week is pretty clearly related assignment. We proceed working on the coffee house, and don't forget to submit for cross-check. And related to educational materials, everything correct. This week about media queries and responsive, and possibility to look deeper in the preprocessors and post. And additionally, working on a coffee house, you are able to apply this knowledge, I mean, preprocessors, to the task. Perhaps you would surprise and love it, and you will use it for further parts of this task. But it's not a mandatory. If you like core CSS, you may use it. And related to media queries, it's also important theme for you due to the starting from the next week. This knowledge will be necessary and let's say mandatory to apply the second part of coffee house. So please don't miss this information and spend enough time to learn all necessary themes. And that's all. Perhaps you have questions. Please feel free to ask or write in the chat. Up to you. And what favicon should I use in Figma? There is no resource like that. What favicon? Let me check 1 second. I will open the task and Figma design. 1 moment. If I'm not mistaken, I see it, but I'm not sure. typography. You may use logo, saved it as SVG, PNG, and use logo from the Figma as favicon. Camille, is it clear for you? Okay, for now I use the small coffee cup icon. Is it okay to? Yeah, it's absolutely okay. You need it, as you can see on the screen, at the left side of each browser tab, we can see small icons. It helps us to understand what tab is it. In case we have a lot of opened tabs, we can see the text, but we can see the favicon. So this case, help our user to understand what tab they should click to navigate to our page. It might be coffee cup, it might be resource, yeah, logo. Here, stop. At the logo, the next one, yeah. You can use this one. It doesn't matter. It should be kind of describe our application, our page. So I get the coffee cup is absolutely okay. Okay, thank you for the question. Guys, do you have another questions? Yes. How much should we focus on accessibility? Alt for images is enough, or should we also give error labels for links? Also, what about images? Set as background for divs. How much should we focus on accessibility? You will get the module related to accessibility. It would be, I guess, in the second part of this course. Not in the second part of stage one, but it module there is no will be about kind of just for your information. Due to using alt is necessary. For instance, your user in the forest with a very slow internet, so some icons might be broken. In this case, they will see alt text. But in order to accessibility at all, alt is a very small part of whole accessibility. So you will get information about it, but it would be I guess more sufficient just for your information that you know what it is and what is for. So currently alt would be enough. And area labels for links, it's not necessary for now. Also, what about images set as a background for div? Related to images, I divided to two categories. First categories, it's images that definitely required for this page. For instance, you visit the site with the winners of some competition, and you will see the photo. And photo require is mandatory due to its winners, and we would like to see his face. But if you look at I don't know, site and see some, how to say, some things that make this page more beautiful, but doesn't make sense for user. For instance, it might be some flowers and I don't know, unicorns and so on. So it just for make page beautiful, but not for information. Or and if we remove this image, we will we don't miss anything. So, and such images should be as a background, but related to images that make sense and that are informative for our user, these icons may be an icons, I mean tag image, or it might be a background. It absolutely depend on you. In case, in order our page, Mohammed, could you please scroll a little bit down for yep, stop. Um, as you remember hovering on these four images, these images became a bit smaller. So to reach this effect, you should use background as a one option. Uh, Perhaps you can find another interesting animation, but using the background is much, I guess, the most easiest way for you. So in this case, it's absolutely okay because it's just a photo. It's a beautiful photo, yeah. But if we change one photo by another, it doesn't broke our application, and it still will be about coffee and our coffee house. Okay, as I can see, Camille written something. Are we in the about section? We should do the zoom out on photos now. Yes, you should. If I'm not mistaken, it is one of requirements for this week. Uh, because for now I can't figure out how to do it. I would recommend you to pay attention on the background and background size property. I guess it will help you to figure out how to reach such interesting animation or effect. For this week, you should implement two pages, the main pages and the menu pages. Both of them should be done following all animation. Okay, thank you. I will try my best. Thank you for answering all my questions. You're welcome. Guys, if you have question, please feel free to write or unmute and ask. Okay, someone type in the message. Let's wait a couple of minutes or moments. Oh, Where is the message? I was waiting for it. Okay. Guys, do not hesitate to ask if you have question in the Discord. We have amazing activists, and it's something for me. It's real help, and these girls answering a tons of questions. And in case you have some, let's say, private question, reach me in the direct, and I will try at least to help you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. Seems we have no question, and see you next week. And I wish you good luck. And see you. Have a nice
Thank you.
day, evening.
Have a
Bye
nice week.
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.